papad ki sabji, maki ki roti, rogan josh, dal bati churma, kimchi bulgogi, bawursak, bishbarmak. So, can I say any of these non-English words in the IELTS speaking test? Of course you can. Let me explain. What is your favorite dish? I love quite a lot of dishes, but I think the one I particularly dream about all the time is a very common African dish consisting mainly of rice and spices along with some meat or fish. It's commonly known as jollof rice, also known as benachin, which kind of means one pot. It's usually eaten on festive or ceremonial occasions. IELTS is a test that aims to find out your level of English proficiency. So try not to use a lot of non-English words. But instead, if you have to say a non-English word, say it, but then try to explain it. Oh, by the way, if you haven't tried jollof rice, go eat it now. It would mean a lot if you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.